Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running an online store or a business site with Wix and you need to update your currency settings, maybe because your audience is growing globally or you want to match your prices to local markets, then you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to change the currency on your Wix site. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make sure your shop or booking platform displays the correct currency for your needs, making it easier for your customers to understand your pricing and complete their purchases confidently. Let's jump straight into it. First thing, head over to your Wix dashboard. This is your command center, the place where all the controls for your website live. If you're already logged in, just click the site you want to adjust. If you're managing multiple sites, double-check that you're working on the correct one. Switching currencies affects your shop on that particular site. Next, look for the Settings tab. It should be somewhere on the left side navigation panel. Clicking on Settings opens up a whole menu of options that control various aspects of your website, from basic info to legal policies. Settings is where you go whenever you want to tweak how your site operates, and changing your currency is definitely one of those foundational adjustments. Within Settings, go ahead and find Accept Payments. This section is all about how your site actually processes transactions, whether you're selling products, services, or event tickets. Accept Payments is crucial because that's where your payment provider lives. It's the bridge between your site and your customers' credit cards, PayPal accounts, and so on. Now, scroll down just a bit until you see your current payment provider listed. Right next to it, there should be a small button labeled Manage. Click on Manage. Don't worry if you're not sure what all the settings mean right away. We're just looking for the currency options at this stage. Here's where things get interesting. Inside the Payment Provider Management window, look for a section called Currency. Sometimes it's a label or a drop-down box. This is what determines what your clients see when they're ready to buy, whether it's dollars, euros, pounds, or another currency entirely. If you have international visitors, displaying prices in their local currency can really boost their confidence in your business. To make the change, click either Edit or Change Currency, depending on what it says for your payment provider. This will open a list of all the available currencies. Take a moment to scan through and select the one that fits your business. For instance, if you've just expanded into the UK, you might want to switch from US dollars to British pounds. Or maybe you're targeting a new market in Europe and want to use euros. Once you've selected your desired currency, make sure to save your changes. Don't rush this part. A lot of people forget to save, and it's frustrating to redo all the steps. Saving locks in your selection, and your customers will immediately see your products and services listed in the new currency. That little confirmation is your sign you've done everything correctly. And that's it. Your Wix site's currency should now be updated. Remember, changing currency can sometimes affect existing prices or tax calculations, so give your store a quick review to make sure everything looks right. If you ever need to switch again, just repeat these steps. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop any questions or feedback in the comments below. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you want more practical Wix tips and website tutorials. Good luck with your site, and I'll see you in the next video.